Tucked away in a peaceful clearing near the headwaters of Bruffys Creek lies a true hidden gem. This unique 20-acre mountain retreat in scenic Pocahontas County, West Virginia, features a beautifully crafted 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath Craftsman-style home with a bright, open-concept design perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The property includes several versatile outbuildings, such as a timber frame workshop with repurposing potential, a spacious shed for hay and equipment storage, and a cozy hutch ready for chickens or rabbits. Bordering large tracts of land and nestled alongside the Monongahela National Forest, this secluded paradise offers a rich mix of woodlands, open fields, fresh streams, and a peaceful pond, creating an ideal habitat for a wide variety of wildlife. Located between Marlinton and Lewisburg, you're just minutes from world-class outdoor recreation, including trout fishing on Hills Creek, and the natural wonders of Droop Mountain, Beartown, Watoga State Parks, the Greenbrier River Trail, and the breathtaking Cranberry Glades. Discover serenity, space, and adventure all in one extraordinary property. Schedule your private showing today.